سلام درود بر پرشنگ‌های یوتیوبی، خوش اومدید به یک گیم داستانی دیگه، گیم داستانی افسانه تا اون. این گیم زیرنویس شده است توسط وبسایت گیمساب. اگر اشتباه نکنم ببخشید اگر من نورم یک کوچولو مشکل داشت، فرستادم نور جدید سفارش دادم بیارم و چسب گیم زیاده. یه لحظه من صدا رو تنظیم کنم. بک نداره برادر، مثل اینکه بک نداره. تو گیم درستش میکنم. بریم سراغ ویدیو. آورد اضافه تغییر نشان خانواده سابران، ببخشید میگم گیم ساب استاندارد باشه دیگه. تجربه عادی. اوکی بریم. نشان خانواده خود را انتخاب کنید. یه درخت رو پایین. که فرقش لباساشونه. این بالدر منظم نشانش تا اونهاست. خیلی شلوغن اونا. اولیه رو بگیریم. بکنم میگم خیلی باحال باشه. بازم از همینجا عذرخواهی میکنم بابت نور کممون توی این پارت. احتمال پارت 1 2 ویدیو رو چون من با هم میگیرم این اتفاق، یعنی تو پارت 1 و 2 شما نور کم میبینین. من پارت بعدی درست میشه، نگران نباشین. بریم سراغ ویدیو. سلطنت فرانسه.
You are dawdling, Amicia. How will you be able to follow the lords at...
زیرنویس چرا نیست؟ زیرنویس بله بریم.
Is that your only ambition for me? To follow? I will beat them and I will watch them eat my dust as I forge ahead. But for that I shall need a good horse.
You've been going on about this walk for ages. Why here?
The tree.
Which tree?
The apple tree, father. I want to take the knight's challenge once more.
The knight's challenge? But you're not 10 years old anymore, you know.
Oh, please, father. I've trained hard for this.
All right, let's go.
Look at Leon. The Guyenne beast is in a hurry to fight it out.
Your beast thinks with its stomach, as usual.
Well, there's something you both have in common.
That's harsh.
Go on, boy. You'll find the prey. I believe in you.
Don't get your hopes up. Let's keep going.
من شکار کنم با هم. من زیاد اولش دقت نکردم. ببینیم چه خبر است.
Look, your mother's ribbon is still here. This is where I courted her, you know.
Yes, father, I know. If only she could come with us.
خودش من این مرده؟
We all have obligations, Amicia. You know, in a family. Hey, I'm trying to tell her something.
Such authority, Knight de Rune.
Go! And bring something back for once. Right.
یک لحظه من احساس کنم صدا رو خودم اشتباه کردم. صوت هدفون ها بذاریم استریو.
As I was saying, we all have obligations. I have to manage these lands. Your mother has to take care of your brother. And you...
And I hardly ever see you. I see mother even less.
یه بک خوردم.
Listen.
نمیدونم.
We're here for you now. So, follow me, daughter.
Hey, wait!
I hope you have your sling.
Of course.
Come on, then.
Do
you dare to enter the trials gate?
Amicia de Rune fears nothing.
This apple tree was planted when you were born. It will prove your worth.
Sir Knight, what are the terms of the test?
The sacred apples of the sacred apple tree have been corrupted by a great evil. If you destroy 6 of these rotten apples by the time I count to 10, I will make you a knight.
I accept your challenge.
I can see some stones near the trunk over there. Go and get them and tell me when you're ready.
باشه.
Ready? I'll show you I'm not a child anymore.
All right, come back. Stand behind this trunk. You'll shoot from here.
It shall be done.
So here we go. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on, Amicia. 6, 8.
And this is how Amicia becomes a true knight.
What?
9 and 10. Well. I must say I'm impressed. But your sling is frightfully noisy.
It was a present from you.
Oh, yes. I'd quite forgotten. Goodness, what's up with him?
He must have smelled the rabbit. Come on, quickly.
I'll catch up with you.
Okay. سی میشینه پس این گیم هایی دیگه. اوکی.
Leo, wait for me.
سگی چرا نیم؟ کجا میری؟ چقدر موسیقی خفنی داره.
Leo, a hunting dog is not supposed to lose its hunter.
پس شکارچی بهش با ما.
Leo, where did you
کجایی؟ برو بالا. وای چقدر موسیقیشو دوست دارم.
There you are.
اینجا. من ندیدم اونه.
What did you smell? Oh gosh, a wild boar. What a good dog.
راز. نمیتونم استفاده از قلاب سنگ.
Come and see. A wild boar.
Some game. This will do nicely for a little feast.
I could use my sling.
That might work, but you'll need to get closer. This grass will keep you hidden if you stay low.
It's drinking. I've run out of rocks. There must be some around here.
سنگ از کجا بیارم دختر؟ خب من سنگ از کجا بیارم؟ دختر یک چیزی بگو که بشه.
It's zombie.
Find a way to sneak up. You have to hit the head.
سنگ از کجا بیارم؟
Careful. You have to aim for the head.
I'm doing my best. I want that feast.
I know. You can do it, my darling.
You can do it که برادر سنگ ندادی به من سنگ میخوام همه جا دنبال سنگ دارم میگردم
There you are.
Use the high grass. Stay low.
اونه خب من یعنی سنگ از کجا بیارم سنگوش چقدر
These are what I need.
کجی است یا برفست دستم خورد اومدم توی این مانیتور وای برای شما صفحه بد شد میشه صفحه پرید برای شما بگیم ریکورد بله دستم خورد اومدیم تو اون مانیتور یه لحظه کجاست اینا
Shot. Does hunger always make you this accurate? But the feast isn't on your plate quite yet.
No. Go, Leon. Don't lose the sense.
یه سنگ میره گرست قطعا نمیدونم چه میره فکر کنم نمیره
I promise you, tonight we shall dine like kings.
I have no doubt we will.
Don't give up, Leon. I'm coming, Leon.
چرا اینو جنگل تاریک شد؟
And you'll get a piece for yourself. Oh no, I'll sink in there.
Okay. خیلی تاریک میشم، خیلی دارم تاریک میشم، دیده نمیشم اصلا تو ویدیو. از تو اتاق باید رد چیم. وای برو برو برو.
He stopped barking. He must have found it.
فعلا بذار از باطلاق رد چیم بانو، بعد به اون کارا هم میرسیم. دوباره باطلاق بگه راه دیگه نره؟ نه باید بپریم.
These bridges were almost new. Someone's not going to be happy.
100%. بشین دیگه. نگه باید دارم. نگه
The trees. What did that?
چی نگاری کرده؟
Come here.
دقیقاً جنگل اوکی بود.
It's the boar. But how? Leon couldn't have done that.
سگ که نمیتونه این کار کنه.
Leo!
سگ قطعه. سیماله سگ میاد. سگ چرا نصفش رو زمینه؟ چی شد؟
My dog. Who did this?
تو زمین. What the fuck? پشمام این چیه؟
We must go immediately.
این کار جادوی شیطان؟ افسانه طاعون، معصومیت. بریم ببینیم چیه. چقدر عجیب غریب بود تا اینجاش. خیلی پشمام رو سگ آورد تو زمین.
I shall organize a hunt. Go and find your mother. Tell her I must speak with her. She's probably
looking after Hugo. Yes, of course.
مادرش من نمورده بود. یه جوری هر سال اول که میگن مرده. امیسیا بله.
He was a good dog.
سعی خوبی بود آره. سعی کلا موجودای باحالی. حیونا کلا موجودای باحالی.
Did you hear about the English troops arriving? Good day, Lady Amicia.
Good day, Lady Amicia. Salam.
Those new rivets will have to wait. By the way.
Oh, Lady Amicia, did you have a good walk?
Everyone is on
Later, Floor. Tell the others that the forest is out of bounds until further notice.
وای فهمیدم چیکار میکنه. این خیلی بده.
Keep us from evil. May you forever grant us health and keep plague from our door.
چه لگی شدیم. چیه؟ دعا میکنه الان.
Take care of Leon, please.
مراقب لیون باش. اون لیاقت کنه.
He deserves his place at your side.
Okay.
Even if he was a bit naughty sometimes.
Okay.
Goodbye, my darling dog.
چی بگم؟ اول گیم اینطوری شروع شد. ایده ای ندارم. اولش نباید اینطوری شروع میشد. بکنم باحاله.
This sunshine won't last long. The rain has already ruined the harvest.
Okay.
People are dying of hunger.
Gabrielle, is mother upstairs?
Yes, she spent the night there.
Right
the little one had another one of his attacks.
Okay.
She won't be in a good mood.
دقیقاً. نشان خانوادگی اون اینه. واقعا چه فرقی داره؟ مثلا نشان خانوادگی اون چیز دیگه میبود. یعنی داستان تغییر میکنه فکر نکنم.
Did you hear what happened at the village? People being bitten. Kids too, can you imagine?
Each time it happens at night.
Famine, war on our doorstep, and now vampires?
چه چیزایی میگن؟
The smell of your cooking warms the heart.
Oh, it's nothing much, but I think you'll like it.
I'm sure I will.
فعلا که مادر رو پیدا
نکردم. Oh, Lady Amicia, hello. I didn't see you there.
Yes, hello, milady.
Hello.
دریوری میگن. ریدن تو خودشون. از کنارشون رد شدم نفهمیدم. ببر. اینجا کجاست؟ بالا باید بریم. بریم چه خبره؟
Yes, Lady Beatrice, leave it to me.
چرا نشسته را میری؟
Louise, have you been to see Mother?
Indeed. Do you want to see her?
آره میخوام ببینمش.
It's important. Father's orders.
Oh, in that case, I have to finish your room. By the way, I've left a little something for you on your bed. Come and see if you like.
Thank you.
اوکی بریم. چی گذاشتی؟ تختم.
It's the placemat that Mother made for me when I was a little girl. I've been looking for it everywhere.
آی چی کار میکنه؟ رو پشت دست بافتی جهت محافظت از اوکی هیچ مهم نیست.
You're welcome, sweetness. Look after it now.
چیه؟
Oh, Leon. What am I going to do here without you?
باید میشه این گیم چند نفر ساختن؟ چند نفر رو 100 نفر منظورم نیست. یه گروه فکر کنم 10-20 نفره ای ساختنش. چی گرافیکی داره. چقدر همه چیز خوبه توش. نور و موزیک و موسیقی منظورم دیگه. بانو کجاه؟ بانو ملکه قبیلن دیگه. ملکه که نمیشه ولی خب اونا بانو در حال نوشتنه.
You know you're not supposed to be here.
I know, but something attacked Leon in the forest.
My dear, I really wish I had the time to listen to your adventures, but...
But it's true. Leon was lying there on the ground, and then he was...
Shh! You are to stay here with your brother.
What? Why? What's
Close
happening?
the door behind me and do not open the shutters, whatever happens.
But Hugo...
He is not contagious. I realize you hardly know him, but he will be all right. Trust me, Amicia.
برادرش واسه بیماری داره. اوکی تا اینجاش اوکی. خب برادرش یک بیماری داره. یوگو
all these potions. Mother, will you ever be able to cure him? How long has he been here? 4 years? 5? Where is he? Hugo?
Hugo, salam.
It's me. Your sister, Amicia?
چطوری؟
Hello. We haven't seen each other much. Mummy will be back soon.
من زود برمیگرده. بیرون اتفاق خوبی فکر نکنم داره میفته. احساس من بهشون حمله ای چیزی شده. آره.
Did he talk? No, Lord Nicholas.
نه رب نیکولاس.
He killed 2 of our men.
دو تا از افرادمون کشته.
Where is he?
اون کجاست؟ کی کجاه؟
I won't ask again. Where is your son?
In good hands.
از آدم درست شایسته. پشمام. پسره مگه چیه؟ پسره الان مگه چیکار کرده؟ چیه؟ نه. پشمام پسر. اوها.
Hugo, come here.
What's happening?
Oh, what?
I know you're here, kid. I don't have time to play games.
Where have they hidden him?
Where the f is he?
Stay down.
Hugo, it's me, Gabrielle. Come here quickly.
Hey, you! What the hell are you doing?
Let's go.
Where's the kid, huh?
Leave him alone.
Shut your mouth.
پشمام.
It's just a child.
خوشم که
Leia.
There you go. There you go.
دلغک کشتش لویزو.
I'm begging you.
چقدر وحشتناکه در واقع. خانواده درون ها؟ فامیلیشو بس فهمیدیم. باید بریم پایین. اینا دارن ما رو میخوام بکشم. دلغکا فکر کنم یه پادشاهی چیزیه، یه بیماری داره بخش میشه. فکر میکنم که این پسره داره بخش میشه. نمیدونم. شاید پسرش شوم مانندی چیزیه، چیزایی که تو دوران قدیم من میگن، نگه من اعتقاد داشته باشم. ها
We need to move. Don't look.
We serve a higher power. All right. Let's check you're not hiding anything.
دلغکا میکشنشون بعد غارتشون میکنن که یه چیزی همش
No, Amicia. We have to keep going.
Don't make me hurt you again.
I have no idea. I only do the laundry. This is your last chance. Tell us what you know about your mistress's research. Even if I knew, I wouldn't say anything.
من یادم نمیاد از کجا میرفتم. اینجا در نداشت. اشتباه اومدم. وای ریدم. فکر کنم ریدم. سالانه بزرگ درش بده. از اون در کنم اومدم. نردبون داشت اینجا. نردبونش میخورد به کجا؟ خب نردبون خب یه جا بایستا دیگه. من بچه رو چیکار کنم؟ من باید نردبون بزنم بالا. بذارم این بچه همینطوری به من چسبیده که از این دره باید دارم. اینجا در داشت من ندیدم.
Well. Where do you think you're going?
ایول بانو زنده است. همه رو کشتن این زنده است.
My children.
فرزندان من. چقدر چیز حرف میزنه. چی میگن بهش؟ حالت تاریخی طور فرزندان من. ولی اتفاقی دار که چه اتفاقی داره میفته؟
We will be all right. Do you hear me?
مشکلی برام میشنوی بجام. اوکی بریم.
Hugo, take your sister's hand. I'll go first, and you just have to follow me, all right?
What?
We have to cross the gardens. Amicia.
اگه یه وحشت اینا دشمنان ندارم. اوکی زد میل کردن منتظر ماندم.
They are everywhere. Trust me.
نه همه جان به من اعتماد کن.
Through the grass, they won't be able to see us. Wait. Mommy. Shh.
خب
Hey, I've got another one.
چقدر چیزه.
The gardener knows the family well. Says he watched the kids grow up.
Yes, the little one loves flowers. I used to take him some.
Flowers?
Flowers.
You can do better than that.
It worked. Shh. Hide.
I've worked here all my life. They're like family to me. You'll get nothing out of me.
You wanna
Go to hell.
Oh yeah? You first.
Listen,
have a little think, and I'll come back later. You don't die without talking to me first.
این اگر فکر کنید چرا ما رو نمیبینه کلاهش آهنی فقط جلوشو میتونه ببینه چپ و راستش نمیتونه ببینه.
We have to get through. Amicia, help him. I'll carry you. All right. All right.
We could have avoided
برو بالا.
Be careful getting down.
Doesn't like the Inquisition, even though we got a noble.
It's just a boy and a bunch of peasants. How long can it take?
همیشه باید با خودم ببرم پسره رو فکر کنم نبرم داستان میشه.
They'll see us. We have to get further away. If I can hit the helmets in the grate over there. Your sling will give us away. I can throw it instead.
کنترل نگه دارید تا پرد.
What was that noise?
Right, let's go.
بذار بره. خیلی تو اهل ریسکی پشمام. خیلی اهل ریسکی.
Like I showed you.
What's wrong with him?
His illness has awoken. We need to go faster.
I need to calm down. So, the boy?
He's hiding, but Lord Nicholas is tracking him down.
He's the Grand Inquisitor's right hand. The Guard has never had a better captain.
Good.
Did you hear that?
Let's go.
I'm going to see.
Be careful. You never know.
چقدر تو سریع میری؟ چرا باید مایتا صدا بده؟ خودشون فکر نمیکنن. پشمام.
We can't go. Mother.
Maybe by throwing one of these pots.
Really?
The noise will attract him. We'll slip past behind his back.
All right. چرا آیتم بر پرتاب کردن داریم؟
That noise. Better go see what it was.
برو.
Come on.
Listen, I know what you poor people are like.
No.
Coin hidden somewhere.
Stay calm.
چی شد؟
Hold my hand tight.
یکم لک شد گیم. یک کوچولو. درواز کن برو.
Mother.
از اون ور
The hole in the wall.
Yes, Hugo. I'm sorry. I know you're scared, but if you get through there, you can open the door for us.
Okay.
You're the only one who can do it.
What's behind there?
Just concentrate on the door. You're a brave
برو
boy. You
دیگه.
prove it to me
ما
every
کار
day.
کردیم. میکارم تو بکن.
Amicia is going to let go of your hand. Then you can quickly go through. All right?
برو برای نجات جونمونه. کیو.
Be strong.
قوی باش.
Well done.
There are people. Hold my hand. Come on.
دستم بگیر بریم.
Mercy! Mercy!
Wait.
اوها. واقعی بره.
Make you run faster, my lad.
اوها. اصلا دقت نمیکنه. نیزه رو فرو میکنه برادر.
Come on.
وحشی ها رو میبینی؟ بچه هست دیگه مریضه.
Follow me.
Hey.
Coming.
Amicia, you have to help him next time.
Sorry. My head. What is wrong with him?
An attack.
Should.
Listen to my voice, Hugo. You know how this goes.
My eyes.
Listen to me. Breathe. Think
of
the cloud that you breathe in and blow out. Out.
Okay.
Like that, slowly.
Mother, we can't stay.
Give him a little time.
Right,
Hugo.
I think so.
So, let's continue. Courage, my darling.
You can come here. I'm coming.
دستم بگیر بریم. اول هیوگو رو فرست.
There you go. Thank you.
دفعه قبلی کجا رفت زنه؟ اینا. دفعه قبلی هم باید دنبال هم نکرد.
It's too risky with Hugo. He's slower than us.
There are pots over there. I could cross, make a diversion.
Alone?
Yes. You'd have more time.
و نیازیست من دارم اونو.
What was that noise?
نه ریدم. وای ریدم. بلدان اومد زنه؟
Nothing.
زن کجایی؟ خانم از قبل لاشم دلقک اون سنگارم به هم بده از قبل داشته باشیم
The garden gate. We should be able to get out of here.
There's one guard left.
The scarecrow. I used to practice firing at it. But he will come this way.
Yes, but we can wait until he goes away again.
All right. Leave this to me.
That noise. I think it came from over there.
باید چیکار کنم بعدیش؟ ما باید از اون در رد شیم. این میاد اینجا. میخواد برگرد سر جاش. برگرد سر جات. برگرد سر جات. چرا گیم بسته شد یه ثانیه؟ برو دیگه سیکتو بزن. بریم 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 بریم.
You're alive.
This way.
This way. Follow me.
چرا وایساد زنه؟
My darling. Go and hide quickly now.
What the fuck? اون یار داره میاد.
Madame, they are here.
You
have to take your brother to Laurentius. The doctor? Yes. He helped me treat Hugo. He will look after you.
And what about you? You have to come.
You need me, Amicia. You are.
But I do need you. I need you.
Hurry now.
چرا گیم داره در ثانیه‌های حساس چیز میشه؟ بریم ادامه.
The river. It will lead you to Laurentius.
Mother, no.
در نه. What the fuck? زنه رو کشت؟ پشمام.
Follow me. Now.
مادره رو کشت؟ وای 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 اینا آمدن. وای 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 چیکار کنم نیزو باید کرد وای 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 بس کن بچه وای گوشم زیادم وای پشتم یکی وای 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 پشمام غریبه خیلی چیز بالی بود چیز بالی بود که ببخشید نمیدونم چی بگم خیلی موسیقیش هست جالبی رو میداد. مرسی که تا اینجای ویدیو همراه ما بودید. این گیم خیلی خفنه. امیدوارم که دوست داشته باشید عین من. تا پارت بعدی فعلا بدرود.